The next section under the header group is the header. Let's go ahead and click on the header. The first thing we see on the list is the enable sticky header, which is on by default. Next, we see our mobile menu icon position, either left or right. We can see the logo text, which is an alternative if the logo is not displayed. I will click on the logo text box and type DIY Enterprise. Next, I will move on to the logo image. Click on the selection box and select image. Then I will click on upload image, but double click on DIY Enterprise Shopify store folder. Click on DIY Enterprise logo and select any of the logo on the list. Then click on open and then click on done. The logo will automatically replace the text on our storefront. I will leave every other thing as default and scroll down to the quick links menu. Each of these menu will be pages, so let's go ahead and create our pages first. Go back to the Shopify admin and click on pages. Let's go to our text to see the names of each of the pages we are going to create. I will copy the text for the first page, which is shipping. Go back to the Shopify admin, click on add page and paste it under the title. Then click on visible and click on save. Then I will click on create another page and do the same thing for the other two pages. Next, we need to create a new menu for the quick links and add the three pages. Navigate to under content and click on menus. We will see three menus created by default. We will leave them for now and click on create menu button at the top right corner of the screen. The name of this menu is quick links. Then click on save. Now let's add the menu items. Click on add menu item and under the box for the link, click on it, click on pages and scroll down, then click on shipping. We had the other two menus. Click on add menu item, click on the link, pages and returns. Then we do it for the last one, FAQs. Now click on save. Once the three menu items are added, we go back to our editor. Now under our editor, we click on select, then click on the quick links menu and the menu will automatically appear in the header section. Next, we want to add a button in front of the newly created menu. Change the icon to email first and the label to email too. Then under the link, type mail to double column and then put your email in front. Then toggle the on and off key to show the button. I want to change the border and background color of this button to something like blue. That's very good. I will scroll down to the theme settings and click on it. I'm going to leave everything as default except for the prompt text. I will go to our text, copy the first prompt text, lighting, and then come back to our storefront and paste it there. Go back and copy the second text, furniture, and paste it there. And the last one, textiles, and paste it there. I want to enable search prompt on mobile, so I will toggle the key. Then I will change the cart icon option to carts and click on save. Now we want to add our main menu. To do this, first we need to create our menu list. And to create our menu list, we want to first create our collection list to make it faster. Go to the Shopify admin and click on products, then click on collection. We have a collection named homepage by default. We will go ahead and delete it and create new ones. Click on create collection button, and for each of the collections I will go to the tests. We have tests for the collection. For each of the collections I will go to the text and copy the title and the description for each of the collections. So click on the title to copy it, then paste it in the title box. Go back and copy the description and paste it in the description box. Then click on add image. I will click on add files and navigate to the enterprise Shopify collection folder. DIY enterprise Shopify collections, and click on accessories, then open. Once the image is uploaded, I will click on done and then click on save. I will go ahead and repeat the same process for all the collections on the list. Once the image is uploaded, click on back in stock and click on done. So I want you to go ahead and do the same thing for all of the collections on the list, and then we continue from there. Now all our collections are ready and we can start adding them to our menu list. So let's go to content, go to menus. Here we see that the main menu has been automatically created for us by Shopify. Click on main menu. I'll go ahead and delete these 3 menu items on the list. Then I will start adding the menu items one after the other. First one I want to add is the products. So I will type products and link it to all products. The second is sales and offers. Go to collections and sales and offers. Then the next one is our universe. Click on save. Let me just link this to one of the pages for now. Click on save. Then under the product we are going to add some menu list. Click here, we search for furniture and then we bring it under the product. Now you can see it's under the product. The next, lighting. The next is textile. The next is home accessories, and the last is collection. So you can click on save, and clearly you can see that under products we have furniture, lighting, textiles, home accessories, and collections. Let's go to under sales and offers. We have shop offers, so you have to grade this. Let's go to our products, open a new link, go to under collections, click on add page and type shop offers. Click on visible and click on save. And let's go back here and type, so shop offers is there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it under the sales and offers. Then the next one is furniture, and the next one there is lighting, and the next one is home accessories. Very good. I'll click on save so that we can see that clearly. Under our universe, all the submenu lists are all pages. So let's go back and create another page. We create about us page. Click on visible and click on save. Next we create another page, the stories page. Click on visible and click on save. Next we create our next page, shop the style. Click on visible and click on save. Next we create the DIY enterprise care page. Click on visible and click on save. Then we already have the contact us, so let's go to our menu and start adding them one after the other. About us, I'll bring this under the universe, so there is a sub menu, then stories, then shop the star, then DIY enterprise care, and contact us. So I'll click on save. Now we have other submenu under each of the submenus on the product and sales and offers. So I'm just going to do that quickly and then I will show you how it looks like on the storefront so that you can go ahead and do the same thing. Now that I have completed the menu items, I can see that the first level of the menu items I have is the products, sales and offers, and our universe. And if I click on products, I'll see the four other levels. If I click on furniture, I will see the last menu level. I've done that for each of the other ones, for home accessories and for collection too. If I go to under sales and offers, I'm going to see shop, offers, furniture, lighting, home accessories. Each of them also have their own sub-menus. And if I go to our universe, we're going to see the sub-menus there. Now I can click on save, and now my menu has been automatically updated on the store front. Okay, very good. This is the end of the header section. We're going to move on to the next section.